Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both SIMs are active and you have an internet connection. This avoids verification delays. Once done, install or update WhatsApp and grant SMS, contacts, and storage permissions so verification can proceed. Next, choose which number will remain your main account and which will be the second instance. Make sure you have access to both SMS or call verification for each number. This is crucial because you will verify each line separately. Now set up the second instance. Enable dual apps or parallel apps in your phone settings, or install WhatsApp Business as an alternative app. Once the cloned app is ready, open it and enter the secondary SIM number. You will receive an SMS or call for verification. Complete that step promptly. If you previously backed up chats for that number, restore the backup. If not, proceed without restoring. Make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss messages from either account. Finish by customizing each account. Set distinct profile names and notification tones so you can tell messages apart at a glance. Once done, send and receive test messages and make a quick call from each account to confirm both work simultaneously. If you run into verification problems, toggle airplane mode, then retry SMS or choose call verification. Make sure SIMs are inserted in recommended slots and have network signal. If backups didn't restore, export chats if needed before switching devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.